Okay, so hello and welcome back to English with Objects. So in these videos, we'll take an object and, so this is an object. Object means it is not described. So now these are pens. We do call them pens, but we also call them a biro. So it has ink, it has a ball in the front, so we call it a ballpoint pen as well. So this is different from a pencil. So a pencil, you need to sharpen it. So a pen, for a single pen, we just call it a pen, P-E-N. If you have more than one, we call it pens. So I have 2 pens. I have 3 pens. I have 3 pens and a pencil. And if we have more, then okay, I've only got 1 pencil. Wonder where the rest have gone. Okay, so if I have more than 1 pencil, we call it I have 2 pencils. So you need the number 1, 2, 3 pens. 1, 2 pencils. So that is how you use pencil and pen in a sentence. Hope that helps. Thank you and enjoy learning everything.